Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the most requested videos in this top 5 favorite categories series. So today I'm going to talk about my favorite top 5 mascaras that are available in India and are of super affordable cost and are beginner friendly as well. So if you want to know what my picks are, then please keep on watching. So when I pick a mascara, the things that I see basically are the affordability. I mostly opt the drugstore ones, the super affordable ones, somewhere in between 300 to 700, that's it. And then waterproof mascara. And then I also do check the wand structure because that's very important for me. Now I'll tell you why I see these three things. Now mascaras has to be disposed every 4 to 5 months. You just have to dispose it even if you don't finish it. So that's the reason why I don't opt many like high-end mascaras. I don't really want to, splurge my money on mascaras because however I'm going to change them frequently. So the one that I have here is the Maybelline The Colossal Big Shot Volume Express mascara. So this one is a waterproof variant. Also I prefer using a waterproof mascara. I recently have uploaded a video on how you have to apply your mascara, all the do's and don'ts regarding your mascara, so you can definitely check that video out to know how to basically apply and remove mascara, waterproof mascaras basically. So you can check it out if you want. So my first recommendation is this one from Maybelline. The wand is super amazing. If you want this nice, voluminous, fluttery looking eyelashes, opt this. If you have like medium sized sparse eyelashes, this is the one you have to go for. And I personally love how the wand is structured. It just helps to separate each and every eyelash, and it just makes your eyelash look fuller and bigger. Now the second one is from L'Oreal. This is my second mascara in this particular variant. This one is the Million Lashes mascara. I personally love this mascara very specifically for how the wand is structured. It just helps to coat every hair of your eyelash. Actually, when I use this, I even wondered, like, do I even have this much amount of hair on my eyelashes? It just is so surprising because it helped me to coat every single strand of my eyelash hair, and this is so beautiful, especially for my lower lashes. The wand does not soak a lot of product. This fiber wand, it just helps to coat every single lash in your eyelash. And I specifically love to use this mascara on my lower lashes. So this is my second recommendation. You guys have to check this out, guys. Seriously. The third one is my most used current favorite mascara, you can say. I use this on a daily basis. If I want to coat my lashes, I go for this. This is like not very heavy. It gives this very natural yet voluminous looking lashes. It's very natural, guys. That's the only thing I can say with this. It just coats your lashes very well. This one is from Faces. This is the Magnetized Dramatic Volumizing Mascara. Again, the wand is like super finely structured. It just helps to coat every single lash of yours. Actually, with any mascara, if you do it in the wrong way, you can end up messing your eyelashes. But with this mascara, there is no chance of you messing around with your eyelashes, guys. It just helps to coat your eyelashes in the most natural way possible. It does not soak lots of product. It has waterproof and non-waterproof variants, so you can definitely check it out. Seriously, if you are looking for something that is like more beginner friendly and more on the daily wearable kind of thing, then you can definitely opt this. Honestly, with mascara, I don't really find like much points to talk about, so it's going like very fast than what we usually do. So the fourth one is from Palladio. This one is the Curls Rule mascara. Now I have to say I have a love-hate relationship with this mascara. Sometimes I like this product, sometimes I don't, but you know what, at the end of the day, if I have to choose like whether I like or not, I would say I definitely like this mascara, and I definitely want to give this recommendation for you guys. This also helps to lengthen your eyelashes, guys. I am this kind of person where I like the wand to be like more dense and bulky, like something like this. You know what, this actually is good for that natural yet good looking eyelashes look. So I would highly recommend you to check these kind of wands. They really work really great on any eyelashes, guys. My fifth and final recommendation when it comes to mascaras would be this one from Essence. This is the Get Big Lashes Volume Boost mascara. Now again, this one is such a good beginner friendly daily wearable kind of mascara. This helps to lengthen and to add volume to your lashes. I personally love this mascara for that fact. Honestly, with these two mascaras, you won't won't find like very precise eyelash application, but this gives this very natural yet glamorous looking eyelashes, which I personally like if I want to apply on a daily basis, especially if I am a beginner in applying mascaras. I do have other recommendations out of what I have shown here. If you are willing to splurge your money and want to try out some other different categories from the same brand, you can check out Milani's Get Bigger Lashes Mascara, L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Mascara, Maybelline's Barbie Mascara or Curl Up Mascara, or even the Total Temptation Mascara. Like anything from Maybelline works, guys, so you can definitely check it out. Also the Lash Sensational one, guys. I would like to compare my Lash Sensational one with this L'Oreal Million Lashes Mascara, guys, because both for me works kind of same. So when I narrowed it down, I ended up with this one. That's why I did not show you the Lash Sensational Mascara. So you can also check out the Lash Sensational one. It's an amazing mascara. You can also check the Wet n Wild's Mega Length Mascara. It's a very good mascara if you want your eyelashes to look very long and lengthened. So you can do that, but it won't give you any volume in your lashes, so your eyelashes might end up looking like spider legs. So if you want to make your eyelashes look longer, not denser, you can opt the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. So these are my favorites and recommendations. I still do have many, so you can follow up my makeup tutorials. You might know like what are my favorite mascaras and favorite products in general. That might give you some idea, but I have categorized only these 5 for this particular video to keep it relevant with the content and the topic. So I really hope you guys liked and found the video useful. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know your favorite mascaras in the comment section below. Also, I'll be doing my favorite lip liners, my favorite face setting spray, my favorite brushes, and also my favorite skincare, guys. So I will be doing them in my upcoming days. So with that being said, I would like to end today's video. I will see you all in my next one, guys. Bye.